other outside.
Right, y'all, so today I have a new wig from QT Hair. This is her. I'm gonna open it up. Inside of the wig, I got this set right here. This is like a comb and a teasing brush and an edge brush, as well as a wig cap. We love free gifts. This is the wig itself. I have an 8x5 22 inch, so 200 density, 22 inch, 8x5. So this is a pre-cut wig, so we don't have to cut any lace. This is what it looks like right out of the pack. We're gonna fluff her out because it's looking a little skimp, but once you pull it out, yeah, there goes all that body. So we're going to just go ahead and install her. The lace off that is giving a little ashy, so I'm going to use a little foundation and rub that into the lace. Typically I would use lace tint spray, but we don't mess with that brand anymore. So that's like, I didn't go crazy. I added just enough. I might have to go in once it's on my head. But so inside of the wig there is an elastic band. I have a comb in the nape area, comb right here at the crown as well. So it's enough combs in here to secure her. Wow, it fits really good. I can see the vision. I definitely do not want a middle part. So it's not bad. The lace looks pretty good. I don't know if it was the foundation that helped, but the lace looks pretty good. The hairline, I mean, it's a matter of preference. I know some people like their hairlines plucked a little more, but I'm gonna try to leave it as is. And I will be pulling some baby hairs out because since I'm not planning on going this down, I need some type of security. So while my hot comb is heating up, I'm going to get into these edges.
This might be new still, this thing might be new, but if you like everything, I think you might love me, baby. This might be new still, this thing might be new, but if you like everything, I think you might love me, baby. Yeah. Bet $1 billion that you gon' like this, 'cause you never had a wild one like that. Don't really do one night shit, 'cause one night make them want a whole life. And you know I left my old lover in crisis, 'cause a new girl a hella uptight, and God broke the mold when he made my type.
Use edge control this down, and then I will top that off with some free spray. No, I'm really feeling this hair. Like, it's not even finished, it's the cut. This is like the perfect length for this.
This might be new still, this thing might be new, but if you like everything, I think you might love me, baby.
I already burned my forehead earlier this week with the hot comb, so that is healing.
But you know I fuck with you. I think I wanna fly you to Peru from Malibu. I wish I.
Now that I'm satisfied with these, I'm gonna go in with my free spray and tap it in. And I might as well just tap it a little into the hairline as well. I don't want to do like a full spray down. This will just help a little more with the blending. Although I think we're doing pretty good. The knots could use a good bleaching, but I'm gonna go in and add a little bit more concealer or foundation up in here. this hair because I don't want to lose any of the volume. I'm just gonna go right in with my mousse. Just because I want to redefine the curls right here on the top. Considering that I shifted the part over, I feel like I lost a little definition there. But I don't want to weigh the hair down, so I'm not going to drench the hair with a lot of product. Keep in mind this is an 8x5, so it's 8 inches. It's 8 inches all the way across and it's 5 inches to the back. So you do get that frontal look. But listen, I'm loving it. This is the final look and I am obsessed. This is so pretty. The curls are so juicy. Look at that. And mind you, I didn't put water. It was just mousse. So we didn't fully wet this down. I love this. I think this length, I'm gonna have to run this back. This is 22 inches. It may be because of the curl pattern that it looks shorter. But yeah, so I'm gonna give you a 360. The density for me, I definitely believe it's this 200 density that is between the density and the curl pattern. Obsessed. So I'm gonna have all the links down in the description box in case you are interested. Big thank you to QT Hair for sponsoring today's video. Big thank you to you guys for watching another video. Let me know what you think about this down in the comments. But why am I really feeling this hair? But it's so pretty.